do it. If I don't video it, it didn't happen. No, well, I think we're good. We talked about these ribs Saturday, you think, or?
No, that'd be nice.
Saw them.
Have you not made use of before?
So there'll be some picking and grinning, but we're thinking, and then get the lettuce cups and the ribs with, have a bit of a kind.
God, no.
Oh, that's nice. Awesome.
At 11 o'clock, what that would be.
Oh, yeah.
We'll either go back or for 1:30. Whatever you. Oh, it rained tonight, but I looked like it would be nice to stop going on
I
tomorrow.
don't know.
So that honey that I like is just a little bit smaller container, but that's okay when you think of factoring gas and everything.
Are you just letting your nappies grow out of it?